Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, install drivers and the audio repeater app. Open the app and choose the correct input and output devices. This ensures audio flows where you expect. Set the sample rate to match your system, for example 44,100 Hz, because mismatched rates cause glitches. Then pick a buffer size. Smaller buffers lower latency but raise CPU load. Once done, enable monitoring so you can hear output and verify the signal path works before moving to routing. Now you configure routing. Map channels so mono inputs feed stereo outputs or vice versa, because correct mapping prevents phase issues and missing audio. Next, set input and output gains. Raise levels until meters read strong but not in red. This avoids clipping. If devices use different sample rates or bit depths, enable resampling or format conversion to maintain sync. Make small changes and listen. Gradual adjustments reveal problems early and keep audio stable as you proceed to finalize connections. To finish, start your stream or recording and confirm end-to-end audio. Listen for dropouts, latency, or distortion so you can address them quickly. Save the current configuration as a profile so you can recall working settings later. If you encounter problems, first check drivers and ensure both devices share a compatible sample rate, then increase buffer size slightly to eliminate dropouts. As a quick tip, restarting the repeater after driver changes often clears sync errors and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.